Hello Apple lovers and Apple users, welcome back. Welcome to App World. Today I'll be talking about an exciting topic regarding the iPhone 10. I'll be talking about the passcode lock. The passcode lock usually occurs when you have forgotten your security code. Okay, this now there are a few things that you'll have to consider before I'll show you. Before we go forward, the first and the most important thing is your iCloud lock. Now you will have to remember the iCloud ID and password if your device is disabled, because there are two things that happen. First off, it will ask you for the iCloud ID and password, and second off, you will lose your data for sure. So please at all times back up your data on cloud or on any device. I mean, it can be a laptop or it can be your desktop. Please take a backup of your data at all times. These are a few points that you will have to consider. Now let's move forward to, I'll show you how you can enable the device if you have forgotten your security code.
To begin with, please connect your iPhone X to your Mac using a USB cable. Okay. Now you will get a pop-up on your screen with the iTunes.
Please run the latest version of iTunes on your system, on your Mac, and you'll have to enter recovery mode. To do that, press the power on off button and the volume down button to turn off the device. I'll be turning off the device now. Okay. Then press and hold the power on off button and the volume down button until you get the iTunes logo. The first time you might not get it. This will take a few seconds, so please be patient. You might not get it the first time, so you can try it for the second time. For the next step, you will get a pop-up on your screen stating that there is a problem with the iPhone. By updating your phone, the problem may be fixed by updating your phone. You will get two options: restore and update. Please click on restore and update. You will get another pop-up: are you sure you want to restore the phone? Please click on restore. The device is getting restored. You will and as I said, you will be losing all your data. None of your data will be saved. You will be losing all your data, that is your contacts, your gallery, your photos. You'll be losing all your data. Your device, your phone, iPhone 10 will become as good as new. It's like pulling out your device from the box. Your phone will become as good as new. The device is getting restored. This will take a few minutes.
Okay, people, the device has been restored to its original settings. My device, it has become as good as new. Now I'll have to select the country or the origin where I'm in. So I'll select the country and the origin. These are basic settings that every iPhone user will follow when they purchase a new device. Okay, this is nothing new for anyone who uses an iPhone. Okay, now the next step is as I said, these are just basic settings. I'll have to select the keyboards, then I'll have to select the Wi-Fi. I'll select the Wi-Fi. Now if you want, you can restore your data. You can either do it through your Mac or you can do it through the iPhone. Through the iPhone, you will have to enter your Apple ID and password. It will give you the option where it will say restore from iCloud. You can select that option. Okay, it's the next step. I'll just show it to you. Give me 1 minute. Okay, now I'll set up my Face ID later in the settings. Okay, I just set up my Wi-Fi as well. I connected my device to a Wi-Fi. I'll set up the password later as well. Now if you want, you can even back up your data through your phone. That is, you can set it up as a new phone, or you can back it up from iCloud. That is, if you want to back it up, you'll have to enter your Apple ID and password, agree to the terms and conditions. Now these are some basic things that you will have to accept to if you want. Okay, now that my device is on the menu now. This is how you can unlock your device if your device is logged with a security passcode. Okay, this is one of the ways that you can do it. This is the only way that you can do it. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you so much.